Every time I step off the road and into these woods, the world goes quiet for a while. I never really plan where I'm going. I just follow whatever path looks the most curious. The first chill of fall rides low over the creek. I always stop here for a minute, watch the water slide over stone, cold and clear. It reminds me of how everything keeps moving, even when the season's changing. The trees open into a little clearing. There's a soft breeze and the air smells different, like old leaves in sunlight. The trail climbs quick after the crossing. My breath sounds louder than the wind for a while. Funny how small hills can feel like mountains when you're alone. But the quiet keeps me company. Most of the plants out here are fading now. It's that part of year where the color drains away slowly, but somehow it's beautiful, even in the letting go. The air feels softer up here, like even the wind knows I needed a moment, and I could stay in this silence forever. I guess that's what keeps me coming back out here. The quiet way the forest reminds me to slow down, to breathe, to just be.